If you're new to removable lenses, you may be unsure which one to take on a shoot. Today, we're going to look at 4 types of lenses and compare their photos to help you choose the right lens to enhance your visual storytelling. Here, we have the normal, wide, telephoto, and zoom lenses. Each have their own advantages and disadvantages at a shoot. First, let's start with the normal lens. This is the smallest lens. It's limited in how much it can be zoomed in or out. It takes photos similar to what you see with the human eye. Here's a photo taken with this lens. As you can see, the model and the background are in focus. Because this lens range is so small, you're limited to how much you can zoom in without moving the camera. This can be a disadvantage for shoots where you are unable to get close to your subject. However, this is an advantage in investigative photography because there is less risk of distorting the perception of an image. These are the wide-angle lenses. Depending on the type of lens, you can get between 63 and 180 degree views. These are useful if you're working in a small room or need to show a wide shot of an event. You can see this lens allows you to cover a wide subject area. However, a disadvantage of this lens is the distortion seen by the bending of parallel lines if you're too close to your subject. This is the telephoto lens. This lens is longer because it has a large zoom range, so you can stand far away from the subject. This lens can be useful for portraits if you want the focus to be mainly on your subject. Notice how it blurs the background. A disadvantage for this lens is the distorted perception because you appear closer to the subject than you actually are. You could be standing 50 feet away from the subject, and yet the photo makes it look like you're 3 feet in front of it. You may also need a tripod or monopod to keep the lens stable, as movement can cause the photo to blur. This is the zoom lens. This lens can give you views similar to a normal and telephoto lens. Its zooming capabilities allow for more movement during a shoot. To show you the versatility of this lens, I took these 2 photos from the same distance but different zoom lengths. If you don't feel comfortable with the restrictions of a normal or telephoto lens, this is a good option. Each of these lenses have advantages and disadvantages. The type of lens you use, such as the normal, wide, telephoto, and zoom, is dependent on the shoot and the look you're going for. The right lens will enhance your photos to better illustrate the Air Force's story.